Russelectric bypass isolation switches. Fast, simple, safe. Regardless of its position or condition, the Russelectric automatic transfer switch can be bypassed to either source. To the utility source for routine maintenance, or to the emergency source if utility power is lost. Quickly and easily in one simple motion. Russelectric bypass isolation switches can be fully isolated, including all control circuitry, before opening the ATS compartment door. If utility power is lost while the ATS is isolated, bypassing from the utility source to the emergency source or back again can be accomplished with one fluid motion. Reconnecting the automatic transfer switch is as simple as racking the ATS back in, then moving the bypass handle to the non-bypassed position. Russelectric bypass isolation switches. Fast, simple, safe.
There are open transition types where the ATS portion of the unit does an open transition. There are closed transition types where the ATS portion of the unit does a closed transition. There are maintenance type bypass switches, and all manufacturers make these types. Then there's the fail-safe bypass switch, which is unique to Russelectric, a Siemens business. We will go into this in detail. Let's begin by talking about the fail-safe bypass switch. Some of the advantages are simple operation. You can bypass to either source in one motion, regardless of the position or condition of the transfer switch portion. It's a purely mechanical, thus extremely reliable design. It does not require any electromechanical interlocking. It's a unique Russelectric design that no other manufacturer can offer. Things to be mindful of are, when doing maintenance testing with this unit, be mindful that there's a momentary interruption of power on bypass, unless the unit is combined with an energy storage system. If it has an energy storage system such as UPS or battery power, that power will uphold the load during the maintenance bypass, so there will not be an interruption of power. Then there is what we call the maintenance bypass switch. Other manufacturers do not call it this because they only have one type, and that is their bypass switch. The advantage to the maintenance switch is there is no interruption to the load when doing maintenance testing. What the end user needs to be mindful of is that the unit can only be bypassed to the source that the ATS is in. The only way to get the bypass to the alternate source is to bypass to the source the ATS is connected to, then isolate the ATS, then move over to the alternate source. Or another method would be to get the ATS into the alternate position first by any means necessary. In conclusion, with Russelectric, we offer more variations on the bypass theme than other manufacturers, and there is no price differential between maintenance and fail-safe bypassing.